final decisions yet. Unfortunately, it looks like the real deal has just been one for me.
Vlad, get off the phone. You're giving a house tour.
I know. We've never made a move before. Like, this is insanity.
What do you think about this house?
I think it's very cool. There are even oddities we keep in the like a whole thing. I think it's insane. For the right person.
This is easily record-breaking, like worth what someone's willing to pay.
I think that this house would trade for a lot more money than one would expect.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Are you hollering at us?
Cheers.
Cheers. Thank you for having
Cheers.
us. What a lovely.
Beauty alcohol. What do you guys think about the house? John and I have like 5 years of love into this house, and I don't know. The whole thought of doing it again is kind of appealing, but it's also kind of scary because it's pretty special.
The house is spectacular.